Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Very, very beautiful and simple chicken and potato curry with coconut and egg. This really is delicious. Let's not waste any time. Let's get cooking. Okay, let's take a look at this really beautiful recipe, this one I think. So we've got some coconut milk there. There's like 400 ml, or the same as a can. A regular size can is 400 ml. I've got one chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into fairly small pieces. One large potato, again peeled and cut into small pieces, and one onion. You can roughly see that these are about the same. I've got 3 hard-boiled eggs, some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, absolutely wonderful. If not, don't panic. You might be able to get them dried. Some fresh chili. I've got 3 green chilies there. A tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and today I'm using a curry powder. I made that curry powder, so there's a tablespoon of this wonderful curry powder. I'll leave the link at the end. It'll pop up as a video at the end. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with some oil, and we're going to add some salt. That's about it. Delicious. Okay, let's get started here. So I've got a pan. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil today. You could use something different if you wanted. We're dropping in there those cumin seeds, and we're going to add the fresh curry leaves. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing. They'll infuse that oil and give it a fantastic flavour. And then to that we're going to add our onion and our potatoes, all cut nice and small. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. We're on quite a high heat. Keep it moving. Okay, next up, we're going to add our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste, a 50-50 mix of blended garlic and ginger. You can buy it in a store in a jar, or you like me, because we use it all the time. We make our own and get it stored up. To that I'm now going to add our chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut quite small. While I'm here and before I forget, let's get some salt in there. We're going to remain on this lively heat, and again I'll be back in about 3 minutes, keeping it moving. We're not far off. This is absolutely wonderful. Great stuff. Okay, let's now add our fresh chili and the curry powder. Like I say, this is a beautiful homemade curry powder. I'll leave the link at the end for you because it really is gorgeous. Just give this a little mix around. Let's grab that coconut milk, in that goes. The hard-boiled eggs. We're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for around 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And get your rice on, because this is very nearly done and going to be really super. Beautiful, look at that. Off goes the heat. I'm going to add a nice pinch of garam masala powder to that, a nice finishing spice. fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. I'm going to give that a little mix in, and I'll see you at the table. Delicious. And there you go, job done. Super, super easy, super delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.